What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nvidia Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at Nvidia was last week on the 15th, and since then, price saw a small drop, but it has recovered and made a new all-time high and 52-week high today. So it looks very bullish. You can see that price reached the measure move target. This is all one leg right here. This was the second leg. It reached the target, so there's a good chance we could see some consolidation or some correction taking place, and at right around this 140 level. However, there are a couple bullish signs that tells me we could still see higher prices regardless. The first one is that we're still above this bullish trend line right here and this bullish trend line right here, and we're above the EMA. So those are bullish signs. So everything is practically bullish except for that we reached the target, so we could see a little bit of resistance, especially since we're at the prior high. But if price does continue to push up higher, then we have to look for other targets, probably combining measure move targets together. So maybe something like this is all one large impulse. We could be in the second phase of that and reaching the higher 100 levels. 183 is definitely a target. Either way, still an uptrend, still making higher highs, higher lows. Looks very bullish, and I expect higher prices. This looks like earnings report is sometime later next month. Take a look at the weekly. Several consecutive green weeks in a row. Looks like this week is also going to be closing green as well. Just looking very bullish, making a new all-time high, and that's nothing to be scared about. I mean, eventually stocks are going to make new all-time highs. It doesn't mean that's a top or anything. It's going to be most likely surpassing this prior high. If you draw this trend line across, like I said before on the daily chart, you have this bullish trend line in play. And if you clone it, you can form a channel. So we have room to the top side of the channel. So there's room up until, right here at the mid 100s, higher 100s, before we probably see a larger type of correction taking place. Overall, just to summarize, looks bullish on the daily chart. We set a new 52-week high and a new all-time high today, or even yesterday. It still looks pretty bullish. In the short term, we could see a small correction or consolidation, but either way, it looks still pretty good longer term. Unless we see something drastically change, I'm not expecting that to occur given the bullish momentum, but things can always occur in the market. You got to be ready for that. But either way, this is still looking very bullish. This is all I have for Nvidia on the daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.